Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Next I like to show you that how works these high quality cars or trucks fuel filters. And now I have in one of this filter for this used one, and this come from Toyota car, and in that comment in here we can see that this is Toyota's original part and made by Denso, and this is Denso's part. What this Denso company is owns also by Toyota, and then we can say that this is high quality fuel filter. And how this filter works: first important thing, that filters, they have normally only one flow direction. And how we can see that, how this flow direction, we can see in these Toyota's filters there is always text, and there is text in that sign, in little bit difficult to see, but there is out text, and that means that fuel goes out in here, and of course in area is in here, and in that we can see also in area, and that means that fuel flows in this direction. It starts in here, goes inside in here, and this filter takes those sand and dusty things away, and in here comes this fresh fuel out. And then of course in these high quality filters there is this rubber, what is that part, rubber insulation, that it means that when a car engine is moving, and there is this rubber parts in here and here, this eliminates this car movement, so that these fuel line pipes, they don't damage. These rubber sealants and these bases mountings, they keep these fuel lines in better shape and condition. Okay, and then of course interesting thing, what this fuel filter looks like. And next I will do so that I take my cutting tool and I will cut that thing in here, that we can see that what looks like fuel filter. Okay, and of course I like to show you that what is this my cutting tool. This is this Ruebus angle cutting tool, and I will cut that in this way, and then we can look in their inside. And soon we'll see that inside area too. Okay, and now I have opened this like in some can. I made in here nice cut in here, and then when we look in here inside, there is interesting thing that in this area this fuel comes out, and then that means that when fuel comes out in here, this is full of this paper. There is many paper filters, and I have in here tongs, and when I take that, it's like something plastic part in this inside, and now it opens, and this is like coffee filter. Oh, this is really cool. And now this filter is free, and then when I take that, there is so much this filter element, and this element takes this bad small things away in this gasoline, and that filter is this high quality Toyota's filter. Now the final part is this plastic thing in here, and so much this filter material. And then when I take all of these filter things away, there is this hole in there, and one fuel come in here and out in here. And then this interesting thing is that how this filter works, because there is this, okay, yes, there is this the hint. this pipe, there is tapped. There is no any hole in there inside, and that means that when fuel, there is like tap in their central, it's closed. That means that this filter works so that when this part is in here, this central area, in that way it goes nicely in there, and then when fuel comes in here, it goes in that area in here, in that part, because there is this tap and close, and then fuel must go through all of these filter things what are huge in here, and it like moves in this outer area in here, and then when it comes in that area, this filter is in that position, it goes in here, this filter, and then it have to come in back in here, that area, this fuel, and then this fuel comes out in that hole in here. Really interesting thing, that only road is through this filter material. Okay, and then I think that a little bit check also this inside area, that there is this thing, but really interesting working. Really interesting, and there is small base where fuel can move in here. This is this position in here. It goes really interesting. Okay, and this was this information how fuel filter works, and it looks that this was quite complex technology, and this was Toyota's filter, what is high quality. And then thank you for watching, and have a nice day to you. And of course this is quite dirty filter.